How to transfer all iPhone pictures to Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can transfer all iPhone pictures to Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, maybe your iCloud storage is getting full, but you still have your Google Drive storage, and you might have been considering that instead of getting a new iPhone, you might want to transfer all the photos from your iPhone to your Google Photos or Google Storage. Well, it's actually very simple to do so. Now, your Google Photos app can basically work like a gallery app, because if you come to library, you'll be able to see all the photos inside of your iPhone. But if you wanted to act as a backup application, in that case, to transfer your iPhone photos to your Google Photos, you basically need to turn on backup. In order to do this, first of all, make sure your Google account is signed in. Tap the profile icon from the top right, just tap on turn on backup. So also keep in mind that Google Photos or Google Storage actually provides you 15 gigabytes by default, in which 1 or 2 gigabytes could have already been occupied by your contacts, mail, and so on. So depending upon the amount of storage that you have left, and depending upon the amount of storage of the pictures that you want to backup, you might want to check them and then only turn on backup. Once you turn on backup, all of the photos will get automatically backed up to your Google Photos, which means transferred from your iPhone to Google Photos. And once it has been transferred to Google Photos, it is safe for you to remove the photos from your iPhone because it is already stored in your Google account. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.